Ever watched the market and thought, man, I wish I knew how to make those moves? You see all these experienced traders out there navigating the ups and downs with apparent ease, while you're maybe just starting out or don't have the time to become a trading guru yourself. Well, what if I told you there's a way to potentially benefit from their expertise without having to spend hours glued to charts? That's where the exciting world of copy trading comes in. It is a fantastic tool, especially if you're just beginning your crypto journey. Think of it as having a seasoned pilot guiding your plane. You get to enjoy the flight and hopefully reach your destination safely. But how can you get started with it? In this video, I'm going to cover what copy trading is and how it works. I will also give you an extensive tour of one of the better copy trading platforms you can try, BTCC. You'll learn what makes it stand out, its core features, and how easy it is to find and follow traders on the platform. So, ready to learn how you can potentially level up your crypto game with copy trading? Let's get started. Alright, so you're intrigued by this whole copy trading thing, right? First, let's break down what it actually means. Simply put, copy trading for beginners is like having the cheat codes to the crypto market, but instead of typing them in, you're automatically mimicking the trades of other, more experienced traders. Think of it like this. Imagine you're new to cooking and you want to make a complicated dish. Instead of trying to figure out the recipe from scratch and potentially messing it up, you find a master chef who's already perfected it. With copy trading, you're essentially saying, "Hey chef, whatever you cook, I'll cook too." Your account gets linked to theirs, and whenever they make a trade, whether it's acquiring Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, the same trade gets automatically executed in your account. It's important to understand that you usually have some control over how this replication works. For instance, on BTCC, you might be able to set a specific amount of your funds that you want to allocate to copy trading a particular trader. This helps you manage your risk. So, even if the lead trader is trading with a large capital, you can choose to copy their trades with a smaller amount that fits your budget and risk tolerance. Essentially, the platform acts as a bridge, mirroring the trading decisions of the experienced trader onto your account in real time. This automated process is what makes knowing how to copy trade so appealing, especially for those who are new to the complexities of the crypto market or simply don't have the time to actively monitor and execute trades themselves. BTCC and the other similar platforms have built the infrastructure to make this process seamless and user-friendly. Now, you might be wondering, why would someone do that? Why not just learn how to trade themselves? Well, learning to trade effectively takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of practice. For many beginners, or even those who are busy with their day jobs, knowing how to copy trade offers a fantastic shortcut. You can potentially benefit from the knowledge and strategies of seasoned traders who have spent years honing their skills without having to put in that same level of effort up front. It's a really neat way to learn by observation too. By seeing the types of trades successful individuals are making, you can start to understand their strategies and the reasoning behind their decisions. Beyond just the potential for profits, learning how to copy trade for beginners can also be a less overwhelming entry point into the often complex world of cryptocurrency trading. Instead of feeling lost in a sea of charts, indicators, and technical jargon, you can start by observing and understanding the moves of experienced traders. This can build your confidence and gradually increase your understanding of the market dynamics. Plus, it allows you to diversify your potential exposure to the market without having to actively manage multiple positions yourself. You can choose to follow several different traders with varying strategies, potentially spreading your risk and increasing your chances of finding profitable opportunities. Of course, it's important to remember that even the best traders have their off days, and past performance doesn't guarantee future success in the crypto market. But for those looking to get their feet wet in the world of crypto trading, copy trading can be a really interesting and potentially rewarding option. Alright, so now we know why copy trading is a great method to jumpstart your crypto trading journey. But with so many options out there, where should you start? As I mentioned at the top of the video, BTCC is a fantastic platform to consider, especially if you want a beginner-friendly experience. BTCC offers copy trading specifically for futures trading. Think of futures trading as making a bet on where crypto prices will go in the future, allowing you to potentially profit whether prices rise or fall. If that sounds new, I've linked a helpful BitDegree article explaining it in detail in the description below. For now, just know that BTCC lets you copy experienced futures traders. One feature that really stands out for beginners on BTCC is the ability to set a stop loss specifically for each trader you're copying. This is super important for managing your risk. You can essentially say, if this trader's trades cause me to lose more than this amount, automatically stop copying them. It gives you a crucial layer of protection as you're learning the ropes. BTCC also boasts a massive community of over 600,000 lead traders for you to choose from. That's a huge pool of potential expertise at your fingertips. To help you navigate this, they even have a top picks section with recommendations. Plus, you can really fine-tune your search by sorting traders based on various metrics like their total profit and loss, or P&L, assets under management, P&L percentage, win rate, and even check out rising stars or see how many copy traders they currently have. This level of detail makes it easier to find someone whose trading style and risk level aligns with your own. And for those of you who are completely new to copy trading, BTCC offers a little extra incentive. New copy traders can actually enjoy up to 50 USDT coverage on their first copy trades. It's like a little safety net to help you get started without as much initial risk. Last but not least, the BTCC platform is available on desktop and mobile app. So, no matter where you are or what your device preference is, you can access your crypto investment with ease. Getting started with BTCC futures copy trading is fairly simple. Let me show you how you can use the feature in the desktop version. First things first, you'll want to head over to the BTCC website and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the Copy tab in the top navigation menu, then choose Futures Copy Trading. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the lead traders. You can scroll through the list and see their profiles, or you can use the various filters and sorting options we talked about earlier to narrow down your choices based on your preferences. Take your time to look at their performance stats and trading history. Once you find a trader who catches your eye and whose strategy seems like a good fit for you, the next step is simple. Just click on the Copy button. After clicking Copy, a pop-up window will appear where you can configure your copy trading settings. This is where you choose your trading mode, set the amount per trade, and decide whether to copy any ongoing positions from the lead trader. Remember, you don't have to copy their trades with the same amount of money they are using. You can set a smaller amount that you're comfortable with. This is also where you can set your stop loss for this particular lead trader, which is a really important step for managing your risk. Once you've configured your settings to your liking, just confirm, and that's it. You'll now automatically start copying the trades of your chosen lead trader on BTCC. You can monitor your copied trades in a dedicated section on the platform, allowing you to keep an eye on how things are going. Now, if you're anything like me and you love the freedom of managing your crypto on the go, then you're gonna love how BTCC handles copy trading on their mobile app. Once you've got the BTCC app downloaded and you're logged in, you'll find the Copy button right there on the homepage. It's designed to be super accessible. Just tap on that and you'll be taken to the same list of talented lead traders that you see on the desktop version. From there, the process is very similar. You can scroll through the various lead traders, checking out their stats and performance. The app interface is designed to be mobile-friendly, so all the key information like their P&L, win rate, and number of followers should be easy to see at a glance. When you find a lead trader whose style you like, just tap on their profile to get a more detailed look. If you decide you want to follow them, tap the Copy button right beside their name. Just like on the desktop, you'll then be prompted to set up your copy trading parameters. This is where you decide how much of your funds you want to allocate to copying this trader's trades through the app. You can also set your stop loss here, which is a really important feature to utilize, especially when you're managing your trades from your phone. Once you're happy with your settings, tap Copy Trade Now. And just like that, you're now copying trades on the BTCC mobile app. So, you're all set to start copying trades on BTCC, which is awesome. But before you just pick the first trader that pops up, let's talk about how to choose the right one for you. Think of it like picking a driver. You want someone who knows what they're doing, right? One of the first things I'd recommend is to really think about your own risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with potentially seeing some bigger swings in your portfolio for the chance of higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative and steadier approach? Once you know that, you can start looking at the traders on the BTCC copy trading platform and see their risk scores. They usually range from low to high, so you can find someone whose risk level matches yours. Next up, definitely take a good look at their past performance. How have they been doing over the last few weeks or months? What's their win rate? Are they consistently making profits, or are their results more up and down? While past performance isn't a guarantee of the future, it can give you a good indication of their trading style. Also, take a peek at their trading history. What kind of cryptocurrencies are they usually trading? Does that align with your interests? And finally, while a high follower count might seem impressive, sometimes it can mean that their trades might get a bit crowded. So it's all about finding that right balance. Take your time to do a little digging, and you'll be much more likely to find a lead trader who suits your trading goals. Now, while copy trading can be a fantastic way to get started, I always believe it's super important to also learn the fundamentals of crypto trading yourself. Don't rely solely on copying others forever. Take the time to understand the basics of blockchain, different cryptocurrencies, and some fundamental trading concepts. To help you with that, make sure to check out some of the other videos here on my channel. I cover a whole range of topics related to crypto trading, from beginner guides to more in-depth analyses, so there's plenty there to help you build your own knowledge base alongside your copy trading journey. Alright, that brings us to the end of our beginner's guide to copy trading. I hope you're feeling a bit more confident now about how it all works and how you can potentially get started. Remember, copy trading can be a really cool way to learn and potentially earn in the crypto space, especially when you're just starting out. If you're curious to see all of this in action and want to explore the world of copy trading for yourself, definitely go check out BTCC. It offers a user-friendly platform with a huge selection of traders and some really helpful features for beginners. I put a link in the description below so you can head over there and take a look. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. If you're new here and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future crypto content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.